Duplicate data contains junk characters, which prevents getting maximum yield. We offer data standardization by cleaning deduplication for prospect outreach for revenue enablement campaigns to drive maximum sales or marketing initiatives. Our database experts specialize in maintaining and orchestrating bulk B2B data for clarity and usability by continuous refresh of B2B data, which maximizes ROI of the sales and marketing drives. We offer full-service B2B data maintenance, which includes deduplication to remove duplicates of entity and contact attributes. The data cleansing process eliminates junk characters and moves incorrectly placed data under appropriate heads. The data standardization feature ensures that contact numbers, addresses, text formatting, designation, etc. are accurately orchestrated and segmented through highly organized systems. We have an integrated system to push or pull data into sales systems.